Hello friends, welcome to my channel Watch and How. In this tutorial today I am going to show you how you can convert image into text using OneNote. It's the easiest way to convert your image into text. Click on Start, open OneNote app. Let me delete this page and delete this page as so. File, new, image to text. Create a notebook. Here you could see OneNote page is open already. So click on insert. Here click on picture. I mean image, whatever is JPG, GIF, JPG, PNG. So click on picture. Here I have a picture saved here. I want to convert this image as text. Click insert. Here you can see this is the image file inserted into the OneNote document. Right click, you'll get an option copy as text. Click on plus symbol to get a page. Title, image into text. Paste here. Right click, paste, or you can just simply click on Ctrl V. So paste. Here you could see we got image into text. Yes, here 5 point you could see each and everything converted into text. You can even paste it into Word file. Let me show you. Here new blank document, and paste. Here you can see I have converted image into text in a very easy way. This is my image file and this is my Word file. Here this is my image file. This is not editable anyway. And here this is my Word file. You can edit whatever you want, you can change. Hope you like my video and it will help you to convert a JPG file into a text. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.